Hey guys, what's up? It's Reba. Welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new, which is probably most of you because I'm trying to get this channel up and running. So if you like what you see, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And thank you guys for watching. Today we are going to be doing my go-to glam. Just keep watching. Thanks. Okay, so first we're going to be starting with Mario Badishu facial spray and just spraying a generous layer over the entire area. Then we're going to be going in with the Becca Ultimate Coverage Foundation. The shade I'm using is Ivory. And I'm just going to be pumping that onto a Bare Minerals flat brush and applying it all over the face. Then I'm going to be using the Maybelline 24-Hour Superstay Foundation in the shade 120 and applying that as well. And here I'm going to be taking my Flat Edge Beauty Blender by Morphe to blend in my foundation. Just making sure to really get in my problem areas where I crease, and applying some on my neck to blend out the color. Next I'm going to be taking a Tarte beauty sponge. I believe I got this with their Shape Tape concealer, and I do this to prevent creasing. I'm just really getting not too much product under my eyes. Then I'm going to be going in with everyone's favorite concealer, the Tarte Shape Tape Foundation. I'm using the shade Fair. I'm going to apply that under my eyes, on my chin, and on my nose. And so to prep my eyes for the product, I'm going to take that small beauty blender and just go ahead and do my eyes first because they have a tendency to crease. And then I'm going to take my Airspun loose face powder, which is translucent, and I'm going to go ahead, the first thing I'm going to do is set my eyes. This prevents creasing. Then I'm going to take that Morphe Beauty Blender again and go underneath my eyes, kind of blend that out, kind of working from the inside of my face to the outside. And then just blending in all the other areas where I've applied that concealer. Then I'm going to be taking my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Toffee, and I'm going to be applying that to my cheeks. And I'm also going to be applying it to the edge and sides of my nose. I do a little bit more of a dramatic nose contour. This is just a personal preference. So you can see I'm taking my Bare Minerals flat brush and just kind of blending it in. Then I'm going to go back in with that Tarte sponge and kind of clean it up and blend it all in. Again, going back in with the Morphe beauty sponge and blending in my cheeks. Then I'm going to be taking my Morphe beauty sponge again and just kind of blending that in. I'm going to set my entire face with my Airspun loose powder. Making sure to put a decent layer underneath my eyes to kind of bake that in and make sure the foundation doesn't crease. Then I'm going to be taking my Morphe E3 foundation brush and then just spreading around my translucent setting powder and making sure I've got a nice even coverage all over my entire face. Then I'm going to be taking my Morphe Duo Bronzer, and it's called Vlogger. I got this at Ulta the other day. It was only like $12. It's actually really nice. I like it. And I'm just going to be, going back over the liquid contour. And after I'm happy and I've blended my cheeks as much as I want, I'm going to be going in with my Smashbox blush. Sorry, I don't know the name of this particular blush trio. I got it at Marshall's. I'm just going to be putting that on the apples of my cheeks. And now time for my eyebrows. I'm going to start by brushing out my eyebrows, just making sure there's no excess product in them. Let me zoom in my camera for you guys so you can see a little better. Then I'm going to be taking an angled flat brush. I think I just got this brush at Target. And then my Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pomade, my go-to, and I'm using the shade Dark Brown. And so my technique is just kind of starting in the middle of my eyebrows and dragging it outwards with smaller strokes to kind of mimic hairlines. And then I just go back in the middle and just kind of do some light hair-like strokes. And this really blends in your eyebrow. And I went ahead and did my other eyebrow off camera just to save some time, but you guys get the idea. And after I finished filling in my eyebrows, I'm going to go in back with that Shape Tape concealer and a flat brush. And I'm just going to go in and clean up my brows. And next, I'm going to be going in with my Morphe, let's see, what is this palette? My Morphe 35M, got this palette for Christmas, and I'm going to be going in with the shade Fired Up, and I'm going to be applying that all over my lid and to my bottom lash line. And my technique is usually just to kind of start in the middle of my eye and blend outwards in either direction. When I'm happy with the result, I'm going to go back into that palette and take a kind of pinkish purple color, it's called Candy Crush, and apply that, keeping it more towards the outside of my eye, and this is going to build up dimension. I really like these two colors together. I think that they both blend in really well. It's really pretty. Kind of reminds me of like a pink sunset. And then I'm going to go back in and kind of blend the two together. Then I'm going to be going in with the shade Power Slayer. And this is a really nice purple to just kind of define the crease. So my technique is just kind of starting on the outside of my eye and blending in little circles on the way in. And then to smoke that out even more, I'm going to be taking the shade Transformer. This is like a really dark purple, almost a black. And I'm going to be taking it out on the outside of my eye and underneath to really kind of give this look some drama and make it a little bit more smoky. Then I'm going to be taking that same Urban Decay kind of fluffy blending brush and just going over Transformer and blending it in, transforming it into the look, if you will. I'm going to go in with that same flat brush and my Tarte concealer and kind of do this is like a subtle cut crease look. I don't take the concealer all the way out like some people do with their cut creases. Just due to my eye shape, I have kind of partially hooded eyes. And so I don't normally take the concealer all the way out because my eyelid isn't super defined. So I kind of just take it halfway. This makes it really nice and pretty, and it still allows you to see the light shades even if you have somewhat hooded eyelids. And then next I'm going to be going in with my Morphe 350, and I'm going to be taking a mixture of the 3 shimmer shades and I'm going to be applying them to my lid. Taking my liquid eyeliner. This eyeliner that I'm using today is from the brand Pure and it's called On Point. Just a really good liquid eyeliner. And today we're going to be doing a winged eyeliner. Shout out to Manny MUA who taught me the perfect technique to getting your winged eyeliner even just about every time. If you guys want to see a video on this, let me know in the comments and I will do a tutorial just for my winged eyeliner. And for my mascara today, I'm going to be using Clinique High Impact Mascara. And since I'm going to be wearing false lashes today, I'm just going to be applying a relatively thin coat to my top and bottom lashes. This is a really good mascara because it is smaller on the inside of the brush compared to the outside. So it's really good for getting the smaller lashes on your inner corner. And now we're going to be doing our false lashes. And the pair that I've chosen today is from Eyelure, and it's in the style Radiance. These are one of my favorite drugstore lashes. I think these were actually on sale. They were only $5.99, but they're usually about $10. So I'm just going to be applying Duo Lash Glue to the lashes, and then I'm going to take some tweezers because I have long nails right now. I'm going to take a tweezer and just gently press the adhesive to the middle of my eye, and then use that same tweezer and adjust the lashes to my inner and outer corners. And then for my highlighter today, I'm going to be going in with my Morphe M501 brush and taking a highlighter. It's called Artist Couture. It was on Sephora's website, and the shade is called Illuminati. And now it's time for my lips, which I usually save for last. I'm going to be going in with a NYX lip liner, and it's in the shade Nude Truffle. And then I'm going to be taking the NYX Powder Puff. This is kind of like a cream lipstick. And the shade is called Cool Intentions. If you guys are like me and you don't like super sticky or super matte and drying lipsticks, this is probably a perfect lipstick for you guys. I think it goes on you know, really nice. It's not too sticky or anything like that. And then just to top that off, I'm going to be taking my Anastasia matte lipstick in the shade Naked. And this is just to lighten up my lips just a little bit to kind of complement my look. Okay, and so here's the final look. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye!